Entering the File menu and selecting the Preferences submenu opens a window with 4 tabs. Interface. The first tab is the interface that allows you to set the font size on the screen, a useful consequence for any visually impaired children who can make use of their residual vision in conjunction with speech synthesis. The default value is 24, but can be changed up to 96. After changing the font, the Lambda 2.0 program must be restarted. A word of warning for Braille users. Sometimes with large font sizes the screen reader drives the Braille line by inserting a series of spaces between characters. Text editor. There are 2 choices. Show visual guidance with a vertical red line on the page. Number of columns for visual guidance. Position in terms of number of characters where to show the red line. It is particularly useful for teachers and study assistants engaged in Braille transcription to set the text for the type of Braille line used, for example 40 characters. Some students do not like the continuous movement of the horizontal text on the Braille line, but demand a fixed position on the 40-character line, and movement is only possible when moving to the lower or upper line. Calculator. There are 2 choices. Number of decimal places for the calculator, value from 0 to 5. Angle units with 3 choices, degrees, radians or gradients. Entry. The Insertion tab offers a new option, which is the automatic completion of the elements to which a yes or no can be assigned. If you enter yes, the program tries to deduce whether you are entering an element consisting of several characters. For example, the writing lim, when the last letter is pressed, it is recognized as limit. Entering no deactivates this function, and those elements can only be entered from the menu, toolbar, or via shortcut. The second entry on the Insert tab offers 2 options. Entering yes means that once a compound element has been called, it is presented complete with opening, possible intermediate, and closing. At this point it is only necessary to complete with the values. By entering no, when calling up a compound structure, only the first opening element of the structure is inserted and it must be completed with the intermediate, via Ctrl+I, and the closing marker, Ctrl+K.